Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change language to each specific application in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. If you want to have other language than the default on our phone, we have to go to Settings, then we're looking for General Management, and here we have App Languages. Choose the language you want to use for each application. For example, let's change our Chrome language. By default, the language is used the same as in the phone as a whole, but we can change, for example, here. Yes, and now as you can see, Chrome will use English United States instead of English UK as it was set up at the beginning. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.